are. Well, guess what? I didn't do it earlier, but we're starting our work. And, well, we got a few panels done. And now we're going to be putting up some things in the upside down room. Guys. Final day of putting together these panels. We are finally down to the wire. Alrighty, well, today was pretty stressful. Oh gosh, everything's misbehaving. So as you can see, this is a little bit different over here. I finally started moving some of the panels over here. The biggest problem was, I don't know if you could see it from the time lapse because there wasn't a good view to be able to be inside the room seeing what we were doing. But, well, the term I was using was we painted ourselves into a corner. There was way too many panels here for us to be able to build. They went too far that way and it was just a mess. And then these freaking bastards. Here, you want to see my problem? See how that doesn't actually touch the panel? Oh God, no matter what I was doing, pushing with body, arms, but I had to have two hands on the drill or else it would break my wrist. So yeah, it is what it is for right now. But we did get this room fully enclosed. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yay! So there's gonna be 3 total rooms made out of these panels here. There's gonna be, well, this one I'm standing in, one right here, a third one, and then the greenhouse after that, but before the house. Hey, love the do.
Halloween here.
Zippy! Unfortunately, these all gotta get moved too, and as I said, we kind of painted ourselves into a corner. So, yeah, a lot of these need to basically be dragged that way. But we did make sure 100% ADA compliant here. So what they're gonna do is go around the back and then enter in right over here. So they're only gonna miss the first 2 rooms of the haunt and the facade, and that's it. So that was our goal. To anybody who is needing assistance.
Look at her, she loves that little rat. He's a good girl.
It's disgusting. It's so cute. Ew. I guess that's how it looks like it's snorting Coke all the time, because when we squeeze it, the squeaker's actually in the mouth. And so when we stomp on it on the ground, well, yeah. Oh, and you probably see that this is an even bigger mess than it was before. Yeah, that's because my only instructions in this almost 100-degree heat was move things out of way. I was not communicating very well. Smoking here. I'm allergic. Yeah, it's a bit of a cluster muckety muck around here, but we'll get it cleaned up. I might take tomorrow off. I don't know. We'll see. Because school starts on Monday. Yay! Looking forward to it, but also means that I'll be working on the haunt a lot by myself until the weekends, because I don't want to keep them up late. But anyhow, like I said, someone's smoking. I'm allergic. Bye.